ECIR2, the Indiana Certified Breath Test. Attorney Crows and myself, we got to argue to the Indiana Court of Appeals that the police must do the breath test correctly or the results are inadmissible at trial. Hey Matt, how'd that work out for us?
Worked out great. Argued at the Court of Appeals of Indiana. What happened with our client was administered the breath test incorrectly, or at least those are arguments. We brought that to the Court of Appeals, argued in front of the Court of Appeals. Court of Appeals came out and said, if it's not done exactly according to the administrative code, it's out. It's no good.
And our client was completely exonerated. Obviously, we much rather had won at the trial level, but trial judge and I didn't see eye to eye, and that's okay. They're up there, they're human beings, and they're doing the best they can. When you lose a trial, the story's not over. And so we took our case to the Court of Appeals, and we got this amazing result.
It was fantastic.
So I just want to let anybody watching this know, it's very rare the state of Indiana lets you know something's wrong with the breath test. In fact, they never do that. Every time this firm has found an issue with the breath test, it's always because we have requested the download data from the Indiana Department of Toxicology. You see, the running of the breath machine, the ECIR2, is so complicated, the legislature said, hey, listen, we're not going to deal with how to run it. They took that power and they gave it to the Indiana Department of Toxicology. And the Department of Toxicology said, hey, here's exactly how you do this breath test. They're in complete control of this. And every now and then some problems arise and they don't train the officers correctly. And if they don't do it correctly, the results are inadmissible. Whatever attorney you end up hiring, make sure they know what they're doing and don't let any attorney tell you, well, if there's a number, you got to plead guilty. That's wrong. That's a lazy attorney. If you have any questions, give us a call, 317-632-3642. And remember, always plead the fifth.